Hello, beautiful people. This is the fourth out of the 5 sequences that we're doing for quick and easy stretches to do at your desk in your own chair. This very short sequence promotes overall well-being, improves circulation, improves range of motion and your posture, as well as provide immediate stress relief, mental clarity and focus, so that you can be more present to your task at hand. Let us go for the hip openers, legs and feet. Start by bringing the right ankle on top of the left thigh. Flex your right ankle, and if this feels already too tight for you, stay right here. Otherwise, lean forward with your right elbow into the right knee. And then rest forward. This is not a competition that you're doing with your body about how far you can go. This is not about straining, nor bouncing or pushing. This is about opening. We're opening not only muscles, articulations, but we're also opening tendons, ligaments, and releasing tension, stiffness, tiredness, promoting blood circulation and the secretion of the synovial fluid, which is that fluid that keeps the articulations soft and flexible. One more deep breath in this wonderful, easy pose. Come back to center. Switch, bring that right foot into the ground, left ankle, very much the ankle on top of the knee. And again, if this is a strength for you, then lean back a little bit and do not go too far. Otherwise, place gently your left elbow on top of the left knee and lean forward. Then stay. Breathe deeply. This is not only opening the hip sockets, but also the lower back. Keep leaning forward if that feels okay, or just stay wherever you're at. This is about releasing, about letting go. You can do this pose while you're reading an email, while you're waiting for some document to download, where you're being put on hold online. Just a couple seconds. You can isolate this from anything else and just do this. Both legs though. Whatever you do to one side of the body, please do to the other side of the body. And then come back to center. Bring now your right knee to your chest, and with both hands hold on to the right shin bone. Lift that right knee very, very close to the chest. Stay for 2 breaths. And then release. You can lean back into the back of the chair if you want to. Bring your left knee to your chest, all the way up into your chest. Breathe deeply, 2 breaths. Opening the hamstrings, lower back, hip sockets. This is also massaging the abdominal organs. Then release, come. Come away from the back of the chair. Flex your right foot and raise your right leg. Kneecap is lifted. Stay right there. 1 breath, kneecap is lifted, engage your right quadricep. 2 breaths and release, engaging the quadriceps. Repeat, the other leg, flex your left foot, bring the toes towards your chest and allow the left foot to be aligned with your left hip. Stay, engage your left thigh, your left quadriceps. Spine straight, smile, and then release. Why do we need to smile? It's to soften the facial expression. Sometimes we're frowning and tensing and clenching the jaws. Now everybody, let's do the chair itself. I'm going to move around so that you can see exactly what I mean by doing the chair. Extend the arms in front of you, pull the abdominal muscles in, arms parallel to the ground, press your heels into the ground and come up and stay. 1, as if you're doing a chair. Keep sitting down. 2, a little lower. 3, shoulders back. 4, squeezing your legs and sit down. Well done. That stimulates blood circulation into the legs and strengthens your legs. One more time. Extend. Arms. Make sure your arms are not far forward. Abs in, shoulders down, and come up. Just buttocks off the ground. 1, abdominal muscles in. 2, a little lower. 3, keep gazing forward. 4, a little lower, and sit down. Well done. Now we're going to go into the ankles. Flex your right foot, point the right foot. Flex it and point it. Switch. Flex your left foot, point the left foot. Flex it, opening the Achilles tendon, and point and release. Switch legs. Rotate your right ankle 360. And remember, 4 points. You go forward, sideways, up, and to the other side. And one more time, opposite direction. As if you're drawing 4 points, trying to connect 4 points. Forward, sideways, backwards, other side, and again forward, side, back, side, and release. Switch legs. Left heel pointing forward, toes pointing towards your heart. Now go to the right, to the front, to the left, towards your chest. To the right, to the front, to the left, towards your chest. Switch directions, keep your left leg straight. To the left, to the front, to the right, towards your chest. Once again, to the left, to the front, to the right, towards your chest, and release. Well, I hope you enjoyed this sequence for the legs, and stay tuned for one more sequence to finish the 5 sequence for quick stretches for your desk. Thank you so much.